Hi, today let's make super tasty, super comforting and super simple Toor Dal recipe. First you need to soak Toor Dal for at least 10 minutes and then transfer it to the cooker, add in water, add in some onions, green chilies, add in your chopped tomatoes. You can just roughly chop it because it will all go into the cooker. And then what you need to do is add in crushed ginger. This gives a great flavor to the dal. Next I'm adding in hing. It's very good for gassy or bloating issues. Next I'm adding in some salt to taste, add in some turmeric powder. Now I'm adding in some washed curry leaves as well, and then give it a good mix and give this at least 6 to 7 whistles. See to that the dal is completely cooked and mashed. Now while the dal is cooked, here I'm making a simple and easy tasty tadka. You can add in ghee or oil. I've added in ghee. Then I've added in some cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Now I'm adding in some dry red chilies, and then I'll add in some curry leaves as well. When all of this starts spluttering and the flavor is beautifully infused, next I'm adding in the cooked dal. Look at the dal, it's been beautifully mashed and cooked as well. Give it a good mix, and then what I like to do is before boiling I'd like to add in fresh coriander leaves which has been chopped, because coriander leaves also bring in great flavor to the dal recipe. Give it a good mix, let it come to a boil, and finally serve it with hot rice and sides of your choice. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.